Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Start off with a bit of a quote. Einstein once said, if you want to become a genius, just learn something new every day. Well, if you like and subscribe to my channel, I'll teach you something new every day and hopefully we'll get there together. Before we start, please like and subscribe. If you want to contribute to my channel, PayPal in the description. Keep it nice and short and sweet. Now you want to learn how to write a digital message or draw a picture. Gone are the days where you need one of those pens. So you might have one of these iPhone 5s. It doesn't matter which iPhone 5 it is because they all do the same regardless. So, and how to do it, as you can see where it says thank you, and this is what you want to do. Open your phone, start writing a text message like you would normally do, but then put your phone on its side so it's like horizontal, and at the bottom right hand side you'll see that where the red arrow is, that mark on the bottom right button, and I'll point to it more. If you click on that, that will open up the menu on what to do, and you'll see this. You can either by hand write what you want to write, like this, write your message, or draw a picture. On the top left, if you do something wrong, just press undo. Then after that, once you've done that, if you want to continue with a text message, put it back up vertically and you can see the options there with the menu to carry on writing a text, and then just send like usual. If you're using your internet data and somebody else is also on the internet, their Wi-Fi, they're connected through Wi-Fi, or they've got data on their phone, you won't get charged. It'll just go through the normal data, the gigabytes, well, megabytes in this case, which won't be many. Anyway, I've kept the video short and sweet. Please like and subscribe. Like I said, I teach something new every day, and together we can become a bit brighter. You all take care, folks. Catch you on the rebound. Bye.